Hi guys, I'm Abhinav and I am at the Honda Service Center, the Big Wing Service Center in Gurgaon right now. I've got my Honda CB350 Highness here for the first service, and over there, the bike is getting serviced over there. I've put one camera over here that can record the entire thing. We are not allowed inside the customer. Sorry, I'm at the customer lounge right now. This is my stuff over here. Very nice looking customer lounge. And the motorcycle is getting serviced over there. We are not allowed to go inside and shoot. But they cannot tell me what I can and cannot do inside the customer lounge. So I've just put a camera over here. I'll very quickly tell you what these guys did so far. First, when I came in, my details were taken, my temperature was checked for COVID. Then they took the motorcycle inside. The senior service staff is here. They're taking a look at the motorcycle. This is probably the first Honda Highness that is getting serviced of a customer. So the motorcycle's done about 730 odd kilometers in about 8 days, 9 days of ownership. We got the motorcycle last Wednesday. Today is Friday morning. So yeah, so they will be changing the engine oil. They'll change the oil filter. They're going to clean the air filter. They're going to wash the motorcycle, lube it, lube the chain, and just do little things. Yeah, hi, tell me. This is my invoice. Okay, so guys, let's estimated invoice. Okay, so can you please explain to me what is here and what all is?
So firstly we change engine oil, washer, oil filter and O-ring.
Okay.
That's all.
Can you tell me the cost of everything and how much is the quantity used?
Yes, washer is around
3 rupees.
Yes, and engine oil is 1065.
Okay.
The cost of 2 liters.
2
What is
liters.
the cost of 629.
If I'm correct, the engine oil used here is 10W30 Idemitsu.
Yes,
Fully synthetic?
Fully synthetic, yes.
Okay.
O-ring,
O-ring, okay.
the cost is
103. Okay.
Filter 65.
Okay.
63.
63. So oil filter costs about 63 rupees. Total service cost estimated
Cost
is
1469.
1469. And there are no free services. They're all paid services.
Sir, this is a free service.
Oh, this is a free service.
Including labor charge and washing charge
Acha.
also.
So how many free services?
3.
3 free services.
3 free services.
Okay, and how much is labor for this motorcycle if it gets serviced?
So,
About 700 rupees.
About 700. So if this is about 1500, it comes out to be 2200 for a paid service.
Yeah.
But the first 3 services, which is about a year, because first service is at 1000 kilometers within a month. The next service will be 6000 kilometers, and the service after that will be again 6000 kilometers. 6000 kilometers or 6 months. So about a year. So guys, you will get free service, which means that you won't have to pay labor. So about 1500 rupees for the first 3 services, and then every subsequent service will be 2200 rupees or so. So guys, these guys are being very thorough in the way they are servicing the motorcycle. There are senior technicians who are handling my bike right now. Very senior people from Honda. In fact, since this is the first Highness that has come in for service, one of the senior most person from the service team is here, that gentleman in the grey jacket. So he is handling my motorcycle along with, I'm sorry, I don't know this gentleman's name, but from what I saw, they are very minutely going over every single detail of the motorcycle. So while the gentleman in the black, he is doing anything, the senior gentleman in the grey jacket, he's clicking photos. They are discussing and very meticulously, very thoroughly going over every single thing. I saw them adjust the chain slack right now, and they took a ruler and they were completely measuring it, and they fiddled with it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now that really speaks a lot, because whatever service center that I have been to, I've owned a few motorcycles, and whatever I've seen, all they do is they just measure it with their finger. They just take an estimate and they do it. That's not what's happening over here. So that is something which is very surprising. And again, this is something which I haven't seen. If you guys have seen this, please tell me. They are even checking the tire pressure. I mean, I'm blown away right now. I'm blown away. I've never seen this happen. My God, they have a ruler in their hands. Do you see this, guys? They are checking the play in the clutch lever in millimeters using a ruler. Fuck, why am I not inside? Why am I not inside? Why am I not bloody getting you a close-up shot of this? Fuck. Fucking amazing. I've never seen work done this professionally. Guys, seriously, what do I tell you, man? They are now checking the throttle play in millimeters using a scale. Oh, shit. Man, my mind's blown, man. My mind's blown. Bloody, you go into, again, you know, I don't mean to berate any other manufacturer, any company, but you go into any other service station for a smaller Indian manufacturer, a bigger Indian manufacturer, they don't even have the tools. They don't even have the right tools. I've not seen a torque wrench. Guys, I just got to know a very, very, very cool thing. So I was thinking that, you know, they're also going to clean the air filter in the first service. Now I've been told that the air filter is viscous type. I'm not sure what viscous type air filter is, but they said, Honda says, this motorcycle is completely maintenance free. The air filter, it need not be cleaned at all. All you need to do is replace it at 18,000 kilometers or 18 months, whichever comes earlier. Not just that, the spark plug. Now, I'm not very sure about this, what are the spark plug change intervals on other motorcycles, but the spark plug here on this motorcycle, 12,000 kilometers. You change it at 12,000 kilometers, you don't need to do anything else other than that. My servicing is complete. It took about 2.5 hours since I've been here. So the lady over here is doing a, hi Ritu, she is helping us with the billing.
So please sign your gate pass, add feedback form.
Sure, I'll do that. Yeah, if you could. CRM, customer.
Customer side, gate pass and feedback form.
Okay. Overall job card opening process excellent. Service advisor performance excellent. Workshop facilities excellent. Excellent. I have zero complaints.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Ritu, if you could give me a breakup of my bill and, you know, just help me understand how much everything costs.
सर कॉस्ट आपका सेम है, सेम वॉशर है आपकी 3 रुपीज़ की, इंजन ऑयल है आपका 629, 2 लीटर कॉस्ट इज 1607 यहाँ पे विदाउट जीएसटी आ रहा है.
ओके.
तो
इसमें जीएसटी कितना परसेंट होता है?
18% होता है.
18%. ओके.
एंड फिल्टर सेम 63 रुपीज़ का एंड ओरिंग है आपका 103 का एंड आपका फाइनल अमाउंट है 1469. एंड जैसे कि आपको सर ने बताया था कि फर्स्ट फ्री सर्विस से कोई भी लेबर चार्ज नहीं होता, आपकी वॉशिंग चेन वगैरह इसमें टोटल सब कुछ फ्री होता है.
ओके. एंड जो उसके बाद जो पेड सर्विस थर्ड के बाद फोर्थ से शुरू होगी
जी,
उसमें 700 रुपए के आसपास लेबर एक्स्ट्रा पड़ेगा. सो दैट विल कॉस्ट मी अबाउट 2200 रुपीज और सो रफली. ओके. Looks very spick and span. They just washed it. They've changed the engine oil, 2 liters, Idemitsu 10W30. They've changed the oil filter. They've checked all the bolts and nuts on the motorcycle. They have cleaned the chain. They said the slack was a little more. They adjusted that. They checked everything for play. Clutch lever, throttle, free play. Everything, and they brought everything to spec. They said everything was at spec already. You know, the clutch cable everything. They even check the tire pressure. I'm very impressed with the amount of detail that went into the 2.5 hours that I was here. क्या हाल है सुमित भाई, कैसे हो? बहुत बढ़िया यार, अभी फर्स्ट सर्विस करवा के आया मैं।
डाल दिया होगा?
हाँ
डाल दिया कितने?
नहीं, अभी तो अभी सर्विस करी है।
कितने का बड़ा चल रहा है?
सिर्फ 1500 रुपये। बहुत सस्ती है यार, बिल्कुल रॉयल एनफील्ड जैसी है।
की सर्विस बहुत सस्ती है।
हाँ, वो सुपर बाइक की भी मैंने 6-7 हज़ार रुपये में हो जाती है।
गोल्ड विंग होती है 9000 रुपये में।
9000 में गोल्ड विंग की सर्विस हो जाती है भाई साहब।
6000 रुपये में फायर ब्लेड,
6000 में फायर ब्लेड।
6000 में अपनी का
जो 40 लाख रुपए इसके ले रहे सर्विस से ही वापस बंदा कमाएगा।